A good kitchen knife can definitely make your job much easier and faster. But a lot of people are confusion with what knife to choose, a big one or a small one, a sharper one or a medium sharp one will do. So in this video today, I'm going to be comparing India's top 4 knife brands. On them, I'm going to be performing some interesting tests like deep cut test, slicing test and fruit test to check on their sharpness and ease of use. Also, I would like to tell you that all these recommendations are completely unsponsored and we are not trying to promote any particular brand. And this is our honest opinion based on the tests we have done on the particular products we have purchased. So watch this video till the end to know which knife set is best for you for the daily use. So for this, we have chosen the 4 brands on the basis of their top ratings and great reviews. And these brands are from Pigeon, Solimo, Godrej Cartini and Victorinox. So all these brand knives come in a set of 3. These small knives are called paring knives and these are used for cutting fruits. So these medium knives are called utility knives, which are basically all-in-one knives which are mainly used for cutting vegetables, but you can use for cutting fruits and other stuff as well. And the larger knives here, we can see all brands are giving some different kind of large knives. So we can see here the biggest knife here are from Solimo and Pigeon. These are called chef's knives. These are basically used for cutting bigger vegetables and fruits. And we can see in Cartini there is a bigger knife which is slightly smaller than the Solimo and Pigeon. So this is used for dicing and cutting medium-sized vegetables and fruits. And we can also see there is a bigger knife which is not as big as the other big knives which is given in the Victorinox. This is basically having a round edge. You can use it for slicing breads and sandwiches, and also you can apply butter or cheese from it. And in this video, we'll be reviewing only the paring knife and the utility knife of each brand because these are the most common used knives in the Indian kitchens. So first, let's do the deep cut test. In this test, we'll be taking a tomato and we will try to cut the surface of the tomato with every knife with the minimum pressure, and we will see how deep the knife will go. So the deeper it is, the sharper it will be. So here first we tested with Pigeon utility knife and we can see here it has hardly made any mark on the surface of the tomato when we applied with minimum pressure. Then we checked with the Solimo knife. We can see it has slightly cut the surface of the tomato with minimum pressure, so it has performed slightly better than the Pigeon knife. Then we checked with the Godrej Cartini knife. We can see here it has also cut the surface of the tomato but slightly less than the Solimo knife. Now finally we checked the Victorinox knife and we can see here how smoothly it has cut the surface of the tomato with minimum effort, and it has gone quite deep as well as compared to any other knives. So here we can definitely say Victorinox knife has performed the best, followed by the Solimo knife and the Cartini knife. But Pigeon knife was not able to cut the surface of the tomato with the minimum pressure. Now we will do the second test, that is the slicing test. In this test, I tried cutting 3 to 4 slices of potato by all the knives to check how easy it was to cut the potato and how much effort I have to keep from each knife. So first here in this test, I tried with Pigeon knife and you can see I'm putting slightly more pressure and putting more efforts to cut the potato into thin slices. Secondly, I tried with the Solimo knife and here you can see I was able to cut the potato much more easier than the Pigeon knife and I had to keep much less effort as well. Here even the weight of the knife helped me cutting the potato faster, but due to this slightly more thickness, I was not able to cut perfectly thin slices. Then we checked with the Cartini knife. With this knife also, I was able to cut the potato slices very easily, similar to the Solimo knife, but due to its thinner blade design, I was able to cut more thinner potato slices than the Solimo one. And finally we tested the potato with the Victorinox knife. With this knife, and I was able to cut very fine slices of potato quite smoothly. So finally in this test results, the Victorinox knife was the clear winner as I had to keep least effort to cut the potato slices, followed by Solimo and Cartini knife, where Cartini was slightly better than the Solimo in terms of cutting thin slices, but with Solimo knife I was able to cut the slices faster. And when we talk about Pigeon, I had to keep much more effort as compared to all other knives for cutting the thin potato slices. And to do the fruit test, we have taken guava fruit as it is slightly hard and not easy to cut. So let's see which will perform the best. So starting with the Pigeon first, we can see like the utility knife, the paring knife also needs slightly more strength and effort to cut the guava, and the overall performance was not that great. Next we tried with the Solimo paring knife. You can see here it was cutting slightly better than the Pigeon one and it was able to cut the fruit much more smoothly. Then we checked with the Godrej Cartini knife. It was also able to cut the fruit quite nicely and it actually performed better than the Solimo and the Pigeon knife. And And finally, when we checked with the Victorinox knife, we can see here, like its utility knife, the paring knife also performed quite smooth on the guava, and I was able to cut it without any much efforts compared to other knives. So now let's talk about the final results, which we'll be discussing in terms of sharpness, ease of handling and build quality. So when we talk about sharpness, Pigeon performed slightly poor because when we performed all the tests on it, it took us more effort to cut the fruit or the vegetable as compared to other knives. Coming to the sharpness of the Solomon knife, it was pretty good, but due to its more thickness of the blade here, it was slightly difficult to cut thin slices of the potato when we performed the slicing test. So talking about the Cartini brand here, it performed good in all the tests as it was able to cut the fruit and vegetables quite easily without any problem. Now finally coming to the sharpness of the Victorinox knife, it performed great in all the tests as it was able to cut all the fruits and vegetables almost effortlessly due to its Swiss blade technology. So when it comes to ease of handling, Pigeon performed quite average as it was not very comfortable while using due to its uneven rounded design. So when it comes to Solomon knife, it performed really great in terms of ease of handling because of its balanced weight and good ergonomic design. We were able to cut the fruits and vegetables quite comfortably. So when it comes to Cartini, it was also very comfortable to use in terms of ease of handling. But when it comes to Victorinox knife, it was also very comfortable to use, but you need to be slightly more careful with this knife as it is extremely sharp. But when it comes to the build quality, Pigeon was quite average as the blade steel quality and the handle quality was not that great. But when it comes to Solomon knife, it was made from a single steel design from the handle till the tip, where the steel quality also was very good and the handle quality was also great. Now coming to the Cartini knife, the steel quality and the handle quality was also good here, but not as great as the Solomon knife. And now coming to the Victorinox knife, the blade steel quality was extremely good, even the handle plastic quality was very nice. So based on the personal observation from all these tests, I would recommend Victorinox as my first recommendation as the sharpness was great, ease of handling was also good and the build quality was also very good. And the second knife which I would recommend is the Solomon knife as it was very good in terms of sharpness, but when it comes to build quality and ease of handling, it performed extremely great than all other knives. And finally, as for my third recommendation, you can go for Godrej Cartini knife as it was good in almost all departments, be it sharpness, build quality or ease of use, without having any particular drawbacks. So we spend hours and hours to do all these tests just to make you take a good buying decision. So if you're new to the channel, do subscribe us, and if you have any kind of questions or queries, do let us know in the comments below. I will personally reply you back. So thank you for now and I'll see you in the next video.